The end product of education should be a free, creative man who can battle against historical circumstances and adversities of nature. With this noble thought by Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we, the teachers of Kendra Vidyalaya Kanjikode, welcome you to this morning assembly. तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय। हे प्रभु, मुझे अज्ञान के अंधकार से ज्ञान की रोशनी की ओर ले चलो। भगवान से यही दुआ मांगते हुए प्रस्तुत है प्रार्थना हमारे संगीत अध्यापक श्री नारायण द्वारा। To kindle the spirit of patriotism in our minds, we have Miss Salma administering the pledge. Beautiful thoughts make beautiful people. Today, we have Miss Preeti and Miss Vaishali with the thought for the day. The word for the day will be presented by Mrs. Ammu Chungat. देश विदेश की खबरों को आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करने के लिए आ रहे हैं श्री शिवदास और श्रीमती सुचित्रा. Teachers always hold a special place in our hearts. Today, in our special item, we have a poem dedicated to one such teacher. We have Mrs. Rukmini Menon, a Kavian herself, who chose to become a teacher of English, deriving all her inspiration from her teacher who taught her English. Wishing all of you a happy Teachers' Day. This is Shri Priya signing off. Thank you.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना. दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना. हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु, आँखों में बस जाओ. अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना. बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा, दिलों में प्रेम का सागर. हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना. हमारा धर्म हो सेवा, हमारा कर्म हो सेवा. सदा ईमान हो सेवा, व सेवक जन बना देना. वतन के वास्ते जीना, वतन के वास्ते मरना. वतन पर जान फिदा करना. प्रभु हमको सिखा देना. दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना. दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना. सहना ववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु. सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु. मा विद्विषावहै. शांति शांति शांति.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, classmates, and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is rivers never go reverse. So try to live like a river. Forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive.
Which means we should keep learning from the mistakes happened in the past and to start learn from them instead of thinking about it. Thank you.
I repeat my thought, rivers never go reverse. So forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today's new word is education. 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 In Hindi, Shiksha. In Malayalam, Vidyabhyasam. Sentence. Education is the biggest weapon which we can use to change the world. शिक्षा सबसे शक्तिशाली हथियार है जिसका उपयोग हम दुनिया को बदलने के लिए कर सकते हैं. Education is the biggest weapon which we can use to change the world. Told by Nelson Mandela. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to the news desk of KV Kanjikode for the news updates this morning. Today is 5th September 2020. I am Suchitra, here with my colleague Mr. Shivdas to bring you the news bulletin. First, some international news. Japan to offer subsidies worth rupees 1,615 crores to companies shifting base from China to India and Bangladesh. This move is set to expand the Japanese government program aimed at diversifying the supply chain. Members named to the panel probing WHO's pandemic response. An independent panel appointed by the WHO to review its coordination of the response to COVID-19 pandemic will have full access to any internal UN agency documents, materials and emails as necessary. Widespread vaccination against COVID-19 not expected until mid-2021, says the spokesperson of WHO, stressing the importance of rigorous checks on its effectiveness and safety. Now, over to Mr. Shivdas for the national.
Good morning. Welcome to today's national news. India celebrates the birthday of country's former president, scholar, philosopher, and Bharat Ratna awardee Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. NEET JEE exam to continue. Supreme Court rejects plea by 6 non-BJP ruled states for postponement. JEE Mains 2020, over 82% of candidates appear for the exam on third day, states Education Ministry. CBSE compartmental exams to be held in September end. Number of examination centers increased. National Education Policy 2020 will expose children to elements of digital literacy, coding and computational thinking. PUBG banned in India, pay tributes to the game. Over to Suchitra Madam for regional news.
Now for some news from Kerala. Kerala's first open university named after Sri Narayana Guru to be set up on Gandhi Jayanti. Kochi Metro to resume service from Monday. All preparations ahead of the resumption of service has been completed at the Muttam Yard. The service will be conducted adhering to the COVID-19 protocol. Now for some Vidyalaya news. After successful online celebration of Independence Day and Onam, KV Kanjikode is all geared up to celebrate Teachers' Day today. Now Mr. Shivdas will bring you some sports news.
Now some sports news. England versus Australia tour kicks off with a T20 series. Serena Williams faces old foe at US Open. After Raina, Harbhajan Singh to skip IPL 2020 due to personal reasons. That's all in today's news. Have a good day.
Hello, everybody. The poem that I'm going to read today is dedicated to my teacher of English, Mr. Chakapin, who inspired me to follow his footsteps. He taught me English at KV number 1 Calicut for 3 years. It was 43 years before, and later was my principal at KV Naval Base 2 Kochi, where I worked as a teacher. The title of the poem is something that's familiar to you all. It is To Serve with Love, a tribute to my guru, my mentor, my guide. A wisp of fresh air entered our classroom, erasing from our minds all kinds of gloom. We looked up to him for everything big and small. A teacher, a friend, a guide he was to us all. His English classes we all eagerly looked forward to. Every other day he had up in his sleeve something new. Our pronunciations he tried to make perfect. The mistakes we made, with patience he would correct. Huckleberry Finn, Tom Sawyer, and Animal Farm to us he read aloud. The characters came down before us, floating in a cloud. His recitation of the solitary reaper with the rhythm and the beats to our eyes and ears was indeed a treat. His social science classes were not far behind. What had been Greek and Latin till then became intelligible to our minds. He did burn the midnight oil to prepare for the next day. He drove into our heads geography, history, and civics, come what may. Thus, this lad from a remote village from our state created an impression in our minds that has remained fresh and clear till date. But the story doesn't end here. It was by dint of fate that I chanced upon him 20 years ago, but then he was still young and trim. We were participants at the same workshop, the teacher and the taught. It was something of a wonder for the entire lot. He proudly introduced me to his colleagues and friends. I was floating on cloud 9 and my joy knew no end. He headed many of the workshops that I attended. Hence, the bond got strengthened. It had not ended. 10 years had elapsed when I came to know that it was to Naval Base 2 that I had to go. A red carpet welcome was what I got, a benevolent gesture from a teacher to a taught. But the people around were quite amazed. Sir, student, we cannot believe, they said as they at me gazed. Their disbelief did have firm grounds, for the traces of old age in him were nowhere to be found. He used to barge into my classes, armed with a class observation book, at the least expected times, with a grim and serious look. To tell you the truth, I enjoyed every bit of his tutoring and care, a fortune which only very few can share. But I learned quite a lot from my teacher. His valuable tips I've followed to the letter, and they have helped me scale higher from goods to better. Sir, you have been my guru, my mentor, and my guide. To be known as your student is indeed my pride. May God Almighty bless you with a happy and prosperous life, away from the din, in peace, and away from strife. Thank you.
Now let's all stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता